Welcome to this video, where we demonstrate how to mount the RTU3000C battery modules, insert the batteries, and put them into operation. Please always mount the battery modules without inserted battery. First, remove the cover on the left-hand side of the RTU3000C. Take the battery housing module and insert the connector that was shipped with the battery module. Make sure there is no battery inserted. Put the empty battery module on the DIN rail left of the RTU and move it to the right to connect it with the RTU3000C. Now we mount the second battery housing module. Remove the cover at the left side of the battery housing module. Plug in the connector to the battery module and put it on the DIN rail. Move it to the right to connect it with the first battery module. Make sure the modules sit tight to the RTU3000C. Once the battery housing modules are mounted, insert the new batteries into the battery holder. Doing this, please mind the polarity. Insert the first battery holder and connect the battery holder with the battery module housing. Do the same with the second battery holder. And close the battery modules. Now please open the page operation mode on the RTU's web server. Go to the power supply settings. Click the checkboxes to configure the two battery modules mounted and save the settings. Finally, connect the batteries by clicking the button, Connect Battery. If this is done correctly, the RTU will show battery connected with 7.2 volt. Connect and enable the second battery in the same way. Finally, go to the start page. RTU shows two battery modules. The one in use is the right one marked in yellow. The left one is the backup marked in green dot. Thank you for watching.